Hi there and welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with this amazing new recipe for you guys. This is the plantains egg muffin with bacon and cheese, the bell peppers. Oh, I can't wait for you guys to make this one. It is super easy. So these are the list of the ingredients and they will be in the description box. Alright, so first what we are going to do is peel our plantains, and please only use turned plantains for this recipe. After which we are going to dice these plantains into really small cubes. We are going to fry until they are nice and golden brown. After which you're going to set them over a paper towel just to drain all the excess oil when removed from pan. So we have our eggs, some half and half, and the rest of our vegetables, which is our multicolored bell peppers, some red onions, some pepper flakes, parsley, some bouillon, and of course this amazingly delicious Beachwood smoked cheddar cheese, and I got that from Publix. Some bacon. You guys can actually get the cheese or use any cheese of your choice, but the smokiness of this cheese with the plantains and the eggs, it was just simply amazing. So make sure to butter your muffin pans very well. Then you're going to assemble. So I had the bacon, plantains. You can even add some cheese here. And then you're going to pour the egg mixture right over the plantain and bacon. Now we're going to bake in a 350 degrees oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. As you can see, I'm adding a little bit more cheese on the top before I place that in the oven. And I top with some bacon. So after 25 minutes in the oven, this is what it looks like. Absolutely delicious and amazing. Oh, this smells so good. So you can eat while it's warm, you can eat when it's cold. As I mentioned, you can make this ahead of time, like a grab and go breakfast for the week. If you're a working mom, you really don't have time, you can make this and save this in your refrigerator. I'll say maybe about three to 4 days. This was absolutely delicious, and trust me, it was gone the very day. So I can't wait for you guys to make this one. If y'all are new to my channel, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share, and drop me a comment. Let me know if you guys are going to make this one, ever had this one before. All right, and what are your thoughts? So look at that. Ooh, that's amazing. So thank you guys again for spending the time with me today. Be kind to yourself and each other. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.